Well, Cole, what's going on here, man? Where the hell are we, first of all?
We're on the way back to our
There's a Raptor. Yeah, we're just kind of cruising back to my place.
And, we're on the road. We heard this loud freaking pop sound.
We think we just might have blew up the TRX 700, boys.
Turn it over it anyway.
Yeah, turn it over and kind of... So if you guys can tell, it's definitely coming from the motor right there. We noticed it was a little smoky earlier, but you know, we decided to keep running it, which was probably a bad call. But this is just how it goes, guys. I mean, run it, break it, fix it, repeats. Oh man!
What happened?
Come on, come see what you think. We were driving and it just fucking just stopped. We were riding. She turns over though.
She turns over to 3 minutes like there's no rushing. This has got to have. This can't be a Honda.
Not the time for fucking jokes.
Can't be a Honda. This cannot be a Honda.
Well, we knew she had kind of a rough track record, but
Well,
god
you guys put the piss out of it today.
God damn it. The plan here, onesies?
I'm just cranking up to let's get in. I'll take my sweatshirt to. I can do that.
Oh yeah, that's gonna work. Well guys, I blew up my first quad. It sucks, but you know what even hurts even more? It's a Honda.
It's a Honda.
Which hurts even more. If it was like a Polaris or a Kawasaki, you know, used to that shit, you know? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Yeah, you know, it was definitely making some noise earlier and there was some signs of this happening and we decided to push it anyway. It's our own fault, not, you know, the quads or anything. I mean, we should have been smarter, but what do you do, right?
What do you do?
But guys, hope you kind of, I won't say liked this video, but thanks for watching.
Enjoyed our
Yeah, this was not planned.
enjoyed our sorrows.
Yeah, this sucks, guys. We'll maybe try to give you guys an update. I don't know. It's gonna be sitting a while, guys. So
Yeah, videos aren't gonna be coming out as regularly. Like Danny said, it's getting cold out. He just had a kid, so.
But you know, guys, when one season ends,
Another begins.
another begins. We're gonna hopefully get into snowmobiling this year. So yeah, guys, it's probably, I won't say this is the last time we'll have the quads out, but
it won't be weekly anymore.
It won't be weekly anymore. But anyway, guys, we'll stop dragging this on. See you in the next one.